Today I'm going to show you how to spin your motorcycle. So it's kind of a pain to try and maneuver a motorcycle around and try and turn it like this, and you have to go back and forth. So if you want to look cool and you don't want to look like a noob, you can do this. The way I usually do it is, I take my left hand and I grab the far clip-on and then I pull it. So you're pulling the weight onto the stand to take some off the tires so it can just slide. And then I just pull it around with one hand personally. Important part is you don't want the stand to be pulled backwards at all. Because if the stand is moving this way and the bike's coming forward, look, your stand. So I'll pull this straight towards me. Sometimes I do this if I'm on pavement where it's not as slick as inside here in the garage, and push down on that, and that helps secure it onto the stand so that you don't drop it. This should be fine on most modern sport bikes, but one thing you want to keep a note of is some KTMs and some other motorcycles have their kickstand actually mounted to the block of the motor. And in that case, you don't want to do this because you can actually break the stand off and it'll puncture your block.